MC Dean is pleased to present our technical proposal for the Baltimore Regional Anti-Terrorism CCTV system, a highly sophisticated communications, operations, and command center designed to monitor and protect the areas from West Pratt to Center and Green to Cathedral Streets. The command center will be housed in the Atrium building, located at Utah and Lexington Streets. The center will be fully operational, staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by security professionals licensed by the Maryland State Police. Working in conjunction with Mayor Martin O'Malley and his staff, the City Council, the Police and Health Departments, the Downtown Partnership, and other civic organizations, the MC Dean team will work to secure the safety of the citizens of Baltimore while protecting their right to privacy. Our approach to command center development combines operational, physical, and systems architecture with the underlying technology necessary to support the mission. Successful command center design not only includes the high-tech systems, but takes into account staffing, job functions, desk space, lighting, furnishings, furniture placement, acoustics, and colors. Each of these factors is equally important in a well-planned and fully functional command center. Years of experience in the design, implementation, and maintenance of command center operations have given MC Dean the unique ability to provide our customers with scalable, fully functional, and highly reliable mission-critical solutions. Solutions that meet the threat posed in today's environment as well as those that loom on the horizon. Operations is a central element of the Anti-Terrorism CCTV Center. Massive amounts of information is gathered from cameras strategically placed throughout the monitored zone. The information is analyzed, potential threats are identified and categorized, and areas of interest are displayed on the video wall with pinpoint accuracy and in real time. Not only are the operators alerted to potential threats, the information can be automatically shared to all of our first responders, virtually guaranteeing immediate and coordinated action. The entity relationship diagram shows the primary elements of operations within the command center and emphasizes the collaborative relationship with other law enforcement, security, and first responder partners, including the Department of Homeland Defense, the Baltimore Police Department, the Baltimore Public School System, and the Maryland Department of Transportation. The large center display area, known as the Knowledge Wall, is where the information gathered from the network of cameras, sensors, signal processors, and communication circuits is processed and displayed. Due to the high concentration of cameras and the critical nature of the mission, MC Dean recommends the use of specialized software tools known as video content analysis. Video content analysis is capable of analyzing and managing massive amounts of data in real time and providing user feedback when definable conditions either exist or are violated. The Knowledge Wall is designed in such a way as to provide the operators with the raw data and with superimposed video content analysis messages and alerts. An example of video content analysis is the ability to recognize and identify objects that are left behind. Armed with the baseline knowledge of all stationary objects within a scene, if a new object is introduced and fails to move or exit, it is immediately identified as a potential threat, and an alert is sent to the operator for appropriate action. Notice how the system is able to identify and differentiate a new stationary object from both a moving object and a pre-existing object. And video content analysis is not restricted to indoor use, but can be applied to outdoor areas as well. It is able to adapt to environmental changes and still provide the classification and feedback necessary for operators to make informed decisions. Another example of video content analysis is logical presence. It may be important for officials to know when more than a set number of people are in a defined area. In this scenario, the system is set to alert when more than 3 people are detected simultaneously in a given space. Video content analysis can be set to detect motion in certain areas of a scene while ignoring it in others. In this night scene, the water presents constant movement, but notice that an alert is only generated when an intruder climbs over the fence. In this case, the area being monitored is the top and inside of the fence. Another aspect of video content analysis that will be of immediate use is the ability to detect when an object has stopped in an unauthorized parking area. In particular, this feature could be used to detect the possibility of a car bomb. When the system alerts the operator to this potential threat, it displays both the stationary vehicle and any other motion in the immediate vicinity, such as the driver or passengers. A person parking and entering the building may draw a different response than if the vehicle is parked and abandoned by the driver. The detection of a vehicle in an unauthorized zone and the direction the driver was heading after exiting the vehicle are useful pieces of information that, when combined, may help identify a potential attack. Another aspect of video content analysis is the ability to capture, categorize, and store license plate information from moving vehicles. This information can be very valuable in tracking the activity and whereabouts of both terrorists and criminals. Video content analysis features a video processing application which employs facial recognition. This technology can be used to analyze and identify facial matches and offers the ability to distinguish human features from inanimate objects, providing a more accurate and effective assessment. Video content analysis also features the ability to monitor traffic flow based on an acceptable direction of movement. As soon as the system detects a vehicle traveling against the acceptable flow, an alert is reported and displayed on the knowledge wall. The CCTV system includes a scalable architecture that can grow to more than 500 cameras. It will be capable of drawing in remote feeds from indoor and outdoor cameras, individual control of the pan-tilt zoom features, and sharing of video feeds with other security and law enforcement partners. The system uses industry best practices and open standards and features circuit and packet switched video feeds, user-friendly design and functionality, and massive digital video storage capabilities. All CCTV cameras will be routed through the signal processors and can be displayed anywhere, in real time, on the high-resolution knowledge wall. The fiber optic network will be used to transmit the high-resolution CCTV camera signals. The fiber will provide greater bandwidth performance, immunity from electromagnetic interference, reliable operation in harsh environments, non-flammable and non-corrosive, environmentally safe, and highly secure transmission method. The data network integrates the various subsystems including the GPS antenna, the time synchronization system, the CCTV equipment, operator workstations, digital video storage servers, and external network security components. The voice communication system will interface with the local exchange carrier, the private phone switch, the voicemail system, and the automated dispatching, mapping, and file server databases. The proposed command center includes a watch floor with accommodations for up to 6 security operators, and, during special events or periods of heightened alert, 2 additional operators or other law enforcement officials. The command center also features a separate incident management room with video teleconferencing capabilities. The command center operations area is centrally located, offering open access to law enforcement, civic organizations, and the general public. To encourage public awareness and acceptance of the facility, the command center features an observation deck which is open and accessible to the public. The MCDean approach does not, however, emphasize the facility or the technology as much as it does the operations, capabilities, and benefits. For when the center is completed and operational, the true value will be measured not in bits, bytes, and pixels, but in enhanced safety, security, and quality of life for the citizens of Baltimore. The real-time CCTV system combined with advanced processing and storage tools allows the center to provide the power and presence of hundreds of security and law enforcement officials. The net result will be a reduction in crime, advanced warning of approaching danger, hardening of potential targets, and tracking of extraordinary events. Public service and public safety will be the heart and soul of the MCDean team's public relations initiative. What this means is that the local media will be called upon to help provide coverage of the Baltimore Anti-Terrorism CCTV program, while at the same time putting the public at ease that this initiative is about them, their needs, their concerns, their protection, their safety. The bottom line is, we want the citizens of Baltimore to have ownership. It is MC Dean's honor and privilege to be considered by the City of Baltimore to assist in the establishment of this Homeland Security Command Center. Baltimore will be leading the nation and setting a standard in the use of public video surveillance for the protection of its citizens. We look forward to the opportunity to assist you in developing and operating the new tool in the war on crime and terrorism.